Hi, I'm Tiladimada from Movilas University of Sri Lanka. From this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to imitate the object-oriented programming using C language. So I'm assuming that you have the basic knowledge of pointers, C functions, and memory allocation. Okay. In object-oriented programming like Java, the creation of an object is nothing but memory allocation. Each and every time it creates a new object, it will allocate a memory for that object. In C, it is possible to do the same using malloc function, but in Java there is a facility called garbage collection. So it will clear all the objects that are not longer alive. So when we use the malloc function in C, we have to free that memory manually using free function, because we don't have the garbage collection facility in C. Okay, first of all, I have defined a structure called employee, and inside the employee structure I have defined some variables: experience, basic salary, HIRA phone name, and a function pointer. Then I define struct type of employee as CMP and type of PMP pointer as uppercase employee. And I define two functions, calSalary and calSalary double OP. The function calSalary accepts an argument of type employee, which I defined here, and calSalary double OP accepts an argument of type integer. Uppercase employee is a pointer type of struct employee. Okay, so we can refer this experience variable using the exp.em argument. Okay, if the experience of the employee is greater than 15, salary is increased by 25,000, and else if the experience of the employee is greater than 10, the salary is increased by 15,000, and if the experience of employee is greater than 5, the salary is increased by 5,000. So this calSalary function returns the calculated salary of the employee. The calSalary double OP function does the same job, but it accepts the argument experience as an integer. The function new employee returns a variable of type of uppercase employee, and it accepts two integer arguments, experience and basic salary. Okay, each and every time this method new employee calls, it will allocate a memory in the size of EMP. So what is EMP? EMP is the type of structure employee. So when the new employee method is called, it will allocate a memory with the size of structure employee, and the uppercase employee obj is pointing to the allocated memory. And you can see I have assigned values for the allocated memory using this obj reference. Okay, and I have defined a function pointer inside the structure employee, and in the new employee function I am pointing the function pointer of the structure employee to the calSalary double OP function. Okay, and finally returns the obj. Since we don't have the garbage collector in C, we have to manually clear the allocated memory. So I have defined destroy employee function for clear the allocated memory. Okay, I created two employee objects, emp1 and emp2, using new employee function, and I did refer the basic salary of emp1 and emp2 objects. Okay, this is the way to call cal salary function for created objects, because the cal salary function accepts the type an argument of type uppercase employee, and I am displaying the basic salaries and the calculated salaries of two objects I created here. And here I call the calsalary method for these two objects, and this is how to call the calsalary double of a method for both objects. Okay, so you can remember in function new employee we pointed our functional reference function pointer to the function calsalary double of e. So we refer the calsalary double of e method using the calsalary function pointer. Okay, and after all we have to free the allocated memory of two objects we have created. Okay, this is the output of the program. So you can see the basic salary we referenced of from both two objects, and we calculated the salary for both two objects using calsalary function and calsalary double of e function. Okay, and I hope you have an idea how to imitate the object oriented programming using pointers and memory allocation, and good luck.